Hello, good evening. It's Sporty Monk. Guys, I want to inform you about these two major exhibitions going to happen in Doha. Doha Exhibition and Convention and Conference Center, DCC, from day after tomorrow, which is 23rd. This being conducted by Ministry of Municipality and Environment, a major event for 2021. It will be a week-long event and major sponsored by major farms, agricultural outlets, both international and local Qatar. So this is a major event for Qatar and bringing new innovation about farming, environmental technology from throughout the world. As you can see, there are number of different countries participating the event. So the flags are already hoisted for the events from these participant countries, representing these participant countries. So out of which Sri Lanka, Canada, plenty of countries, UK. So guys, if you are interested, keep me in the loop. I will be covering the events during the next few days. So if you like, please subscribe my channel and share this to your friends who are interested in this event. So happy to share this information with you guys. So I will take you for a quick ride at about the preparation of the event. Just going into the venue. A lot of preparations are happening right now. So I am at the DCC, the Doha Exhibition and Convention and Conference Center. So as you can see, guys, the preparation are already happening inside. A lot of stalls, a lot of preparation happening inside. So those of you would like to attend the event, I will put the registration link on the description. Please do register to avoid any long queue during the day. It's much easier and safe for you to register online. Get a print or photo of the registration and bring it to them, or they will straight away print the badge for the day. So a lot of safety guidances are given here. So guys, if you are planning to visit the venue, kindly ensure that you follow all these guidelines. That's for your safety. Keep safe distance. Sanitize any equipment before and after use. Wash your hands regularly. Wear a face mask all the time, and temperature must be below 37.8 for you to get inside, and Etra's status must be green. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel and share this important information, interesting information to your friends and colleagues and beloved ones. So as you can see, a lot of flags from different countries have been hoisted within the premises, within the exhibition area. That shows the participating nations. So guys, thank you for watching and thanks for being here, watching with me. So that's it, brothers and sisters. So if you want to get more information, kindly keep subscribe to my channel. I'll be updating you guys. Happy to share the information. Thank you. God bless. It's a sporty monk. Bye.